Healthy People Program Specialist with OSU Extension Family and Consumer Sciences, and on today's Healthy Living Resources Quick Spot, we're going to talk about how to eat healthy for the new year. Specifically, I want to talk about meal prepping. Meal prepping is a way to prepare convenience foods at home. You can do all of your cooking one day at the start of the week and then just portion your food into reusable storage containers for an easy, healthy meal on the go. So how would you go about this? You would start by planning a menu for the week. Have all of your meals and snacks predetermined before even going to the grocery store. In order to keep a budget in mind, I would recommend looking at grocery store ads and coupons to see what foods are on sale or in season to take advantage of and build your menu around those items. There are lots of tips and tricks that can go along with meal prepping to make it easier, and I do this all the time, so here's some that I would recommend. It would be important to consider ingredients that can pull double duty when planning your meals and making your shopping list. For instance, oats, one of my favorite foods to incorporate into my meal prepping plan, can be put into muffins, smoothies, and overnight oatmeal bowls for a variety of breakfast options without requiring a whole host of different ingredients. Another tip to add variety into your week without extra work would be freezing portions of meals from previous weeks to add into future rotations. This would also allow for less spending and prepping in future weeks and cut down on time as you continue in your meal prepping journey. It would also be worth investing in a nice, durable set of storage containers. Some plastic that would be appropriate for freezing. A lot of times they will say that in the grocery store, so make sure to check for the right label. And some glass that might be safer or more durable for microwaving and reheating. We have a lot of blog posts centered around this topic, so I would recommend that you check those out. They're listed in our comment section below, and we hope that you can get started on your own meal prepping journey. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.